problems. Example number 4, page number 127. A 5, 4, 6, B 1, minus 1, 3 and C 4, 3, 2 are 3 points. A, B, C are in 3 points. Find the coordinates of the point in which the bisector of angle BAC meets the side BC. Find the coordinates of the point in which the bisector of angle BAC meets the side BC. This is the 3 points form a triangle. This is the triangle A, B, C. A vertex 5, 4, 6. B vertex 1, minus 1, 3 and C vertex 4, 3, 2. Here find the coordinates of the point in which the bisector of angle BAC meets the side BC. This is the angle A. This is the angle A. This is the line bisector of angle BAC meets the side at D. Here we find the coordinates of the point D. This is the line AD is the bisector of angle BAC meets the side at D. Here we find the coordinates of the point D. Observe here, the bisector of angle BAC divides the line segment BC in the ratio AB is to AC. AB is to AC. Here D divides the line segment BC in the ratio AB is to AC. AB is to AC. So first of all here find AB and AC. AB and AC. A point 5, 4, 6. B point 1, minus 1, 3. AB. Let A point x1, y1, z1. B point x2, y2, z2. The distance between the 2 points under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. AB is equal to x2 1, x1 5 whole square, y2 minus 1, y1 4 whole square, z2 3, z1 6 whole square under root. AB is equal to 1 minus 5 minus 4 whole square, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 whole square, 3 minus 6 minus 3 whole square under root. AB equal to minus 4 whole square, 16, 5 square, 25, 3 square, 9. 16 plus 25, 41, 41 plus 9, 50. AB is equal to 50 is equal to 25 twos means 5 root 2. AB is equal to 5 root 2. Second one, find the AC. A point 5, 4, 6. C point 4, 3, 2. Let A point x1, y1, z1. C point x2, y2, z2. AC is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square 4 minus 5 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, 3 minus 4 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square, 2 minus 6 whole square under root. AC is equal to 4 minus 5 minus 1 whole square, 3 minus 4 minus 1 whole square, 2 minus 6 minus 4 whole square under root. AC is equal to minus 1 whole square 1 no, minus 1 whole square 1 no, minus 4 whole square 16. AC equal to 1 plus 1 plus 16, 18. AC is equal to 18 is equal to, write down 9 2s are. AC is equal to 3 root 2. AC is equal to 3 root 2. AB is equal to 5 root 2 and AC is equal to 3 root 2. Here angle BAC divides the side BC in the ratio AB is to AC. Angle BAC bisector of angle BAC, the bisector of the line angle BAC. The bisector of angle BAC divides the line BC in the ratio AB is to AC. AB is to AC. AB means 5 root 2 is to AC 3 root 2. Root 2 get cancelled. 5 is to 3. Let AB is to AC, M is to N. So M is to N is equal to 5 is to 3. This is the AB. M is equal to 5. The DC, N is equal to 3. Let B point x1, y1, z1, C point x2, y2, z2. Here D divides the line segment BC in the ratio M is to N. Therefore, the coordinates of the point D is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, comma mz2 plus nz1 by m plus n. This is the coordinates of the point D. Here D is equal to m is equal to 5, x2 4 plus n 3, x1 1 by m plus n 5 plus 3, m 5 y2 3 plus n 3 y1 minus 1 by m plus n 5 plus 3, m 5 z2 2 n 3 z1 3 by m plus n 5 plus 3. D is equal to 5 4s are 20, 3 1s are 3 by 5 plus 3 8. 5 3s are 15 minus 3 1s are 3 by 5 plus 3 8. 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9 by 5 plus 3 8. D is equal to 20 plus 3, 23 by 8, 15 minus 3, 12 by 8, 10 plus 9, 19 by 8. D is equal to 23 by 8, 4 table, 4 2s are, 4 3s are, 3 by 2, comma 19 by 8. Therefore, the coordinates of the point D is equal to 23 by 8, comma 3 by 2, comma 19 by 8 is the answer. This is the coordinates of the point to D. Here D divides the line segment BC in the ratio AB is to AC. Like AB is M, AC is N. The coordinates of the point to D is, this is the formula, substitute values and simplifying. And another one problem, example number 11. Example number 11, page number 130. Page number 130. Find the ratio in which the point P 5, 4, minus 6 divides the line segment joining the points A 3, 2, minus 4 and B 9, 8, minus 10. Full stop. Also find the harmonic conjugate of P. Also find the harmonic conjugate of P. Find the ratio in which the point P 5, 4, minus 6 divides the line segment joining the points A 3, 2, minus 4 and B 9, 8, minus 10. First part, find the ratio in which P divides the line segment joining the points A and B. Here A point 3, 2, minus 4 and B point 9, 8, minus 10. This is the line joining the points A and B. A point 3, 2, minus 4, B point 9, 8, minus 10. Here the point P 5, 4, minus 6 divides the line segment AB. Let the ratio P divides the line segment A, B in the ratio is M is to N. Here find the ratio M is to N. Let A point x1, y1, z1, B point x2, y2, z2. Here P divides the line segment joining the points AB in the ratio M is to N. Let P divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio M is to N. The coordinates of the point P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, comma mz2 plus nz1 by m plus 1 is the coordinates of the point P. P is equal to m, x2 9 plus n x1 3 by m plus n. M y2 8 plus n y1 2 by m plus n. M z2 minus 10 plus n z1 minus 4 by m plus n. The coordinates of the point P is equal to 5, 4, minus 6 is equal to 9m plus 3n by m plus n, 8m plus 2n by m plus n, minus 10m minus 4n by m plus n. Here equating x coordinates or y coordinates or z coordinates. Here we equating x coordinates 9m plus 3n by m plus n is equal to 5. Taking m plus n right side, 9m plus 3n is equal to 5 into m plus n. 9m plus 3n is equal to 5m plus 5n. Taking 5m left side, 3n right side. 9m minus 5m is equal to 5n minus 3n. 9m minus 5m, 4m, 5n minus 3n, 2n. Taking n left side, 4 right side. M by n is equal to 2 by 4. M by n is equal to 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Therefore, m is to n is equal to 1 is to 2. The ratio m is to n is equal to 1 is to 2. P divides the line segment AB in the ratio m is to n is equal to 1 is to 2. This is the ratio. Second one, find the harmonic conjugate of P. Here P divides the line segment AB in the ratio m is to n internally. The harmonic conjugate of P divides the line segment in the ratio m is to n externally. Let Q is the harmonic conjugate of P. Harmonic conjugate of Q. Q is the harmonic conjugate of P. Here Q divides the line AB in the ratio m is to n externally. M is to n externally. So the coordinates of the point Q is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n, mz2 minus nz1 by m minus n. Here m is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 9, minus n is equal to 2, x1 is equal to 3 by m minus n means 1 minus 2. Next one, m is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 8, n is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 2 by m minus n, 1 minus 2. m is equal to 1, z2 is equal to minus 10, n is equal to 2, z1 is equal to minus 4 by m minus n, 1 minus 2. Q is equal to 1 9 are 9, 2 3 are 6 by minus 1, 1 8 are 8, 2 2 are 4 by minus 1, minus 10 into 1 minus 10, minus into minus plus 2 4s are 10 by minus 1. Q is equal to 9 minus 6, 3 by minus 1, 8 minus 4, 4 by minus 1, minus 10 plus 8, minus 2 by minus 1. So Q is equal to 3 by minus 1 means minus 3, 4 by minus 1 means minus 1, minus minus get cancelled, 2 by 1 is equal to 1. The point Q minus 3 comma minus 4 comma 2, this is the harmonic conjugate of P. Therefore, the harmonic conjugate of P is Q minus 3 comma minus 4 comma 2 is the answer. This is the process.